Very well, thank you.
Okay, good. It's a nice sound.
Yes.
And yes, please.
Can you please start by introducing yourself? Thank you very much for the time.
My name is
You're talking to her?
Mohammed Sanusi II, Emir of Kano, Northern Nigeria, and STG African.
Perfect. Thank you so much. You've just witnessed the largest seed deposit to the Svalbard Global Seed Vault since its opening in 2008. What are your impressions of the significance of the seed vault?
Well, first of all, the seed vault is critical for preserving crops and diversity and sustainability of the planet. As we face climate change and the risks, and not just that, look at what happened with Syria and wars. It is extremely important that there is some insurance for this planet, and this is critical. And having 30 gene banks come on the same day is a good sign of acceptance and awareness of the importance of this.
Absolutely. I understand that you also, before the seed deposit, participated in the high-level discussion on food security and climate change. What would you say are the take-home messages from this discussion? Do you feel that crop diversity has a role to play in this?
Yes, I think one of the things we keep realizing every day is the interconnectivity of the different sustainability goals. If you look at the conflicts around the world, many of them have roots actually in climate change and in what has happened to agriculture and to the